Hi DIY doers, I'm Belle and welcome to my craft room. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a firmware update on your LOKLiK iCraft. So first, what is firmware and why do you need it? So one way to think about it is firmware is the middleman that tells your machine what to do. So why do we need to apply a firmware update? Simply put, a firmware update gives your hardware updated code to support new functionality and features or to improve upon ones that are already existing. Okay, so we know what firmware is. How do we update it? So first, you're going to need your cutting machine. So I'm doing the LOKLiK iCraft today. I do have another video doing the Loklik Crafter to update the firmware on that machine. You will also need your USB cord and also a computer. I'm using my laptop today. Okay, before moving on, make sure you save all your projects. Also make sure you have a good internet connection and you are connected to the internet. And make sure you have a good power source connection to your machine and your laptop or computer. Having this update interrupted can cause problems with your machine. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I have opened LOKLiK Idea Studio. Now let's turn on our machine. Now this end goes into the machine, and then the USB end goes into your computer. Just like that. And I've got to bring my cord over this way. Now, at the moment, there is a problem updating the firmware if your laptop is running an AMD processor. LOKLiK is looking into this issue and they hope it will be fixed very shortly. Okay, now we can come up to Device and we can click on the Firmware Update. We want to click on our machine, so the iCraft. We'll press Next. We'll click on our USB and we found the USB LOKLiK and we found our machine, the LOKLiK iCraft. So our current version is displayed here. It says current version 3. Now that is the version I had when I unboxed it. So we're going to click on this down arrow and we're going to go and install version 6. So that is the latest firmware version. Okay, and we're going to press download. Okay, now we've downloaded the firmware update. We can select update. And our machine successfully updated to version 6. Now we can check to make sure. We can go to Device and Firmware Update. We can select our iCraft, connect it via USB, and we can see here current version, version 6. Now it was a lot easier to update the LOKLiK iCraft than it was the Loklik Crafter. So I'm glad they made that process a lot easier. Now that process was a lot easier to update the firmware to the LOKLiK iCraft compared to the Loklik Crafter. Hopefully they can do something like this for the Crafter where you don't have to press down that button and it could possibly fail. If you do have problems updating the firmware, you can go to their website and go under Firmware Update. You can actually create a firmware flash tool that you can use to update your Crafter or iCraft that way. There is also a LOKLiK community that you can join. If you have any problems and questions, you can go on there and state what your question or problem, or even just share your projects that you've been creating. I will leave a link to the firmware flash tool, also a link to the LOKLiK community down below in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you and maybe took some of that scariness away. Now that you've seen me do it, maybe you can just follow the steps as well. I hope you guys have a craftastic day, and I will see you in the next video.